Critical appraisal processes for quantitative research. Critical appraisal refers to the process of determining whether a provided study was well conducted and further establishing if the obtained findings are helpful and useful or not. In terms of biblical integration, critical appraisal is important when it comes to interpreting various chapters, such as the Book of Revelation, which requires one to correctly interpret its meaning. Quantitative research denotes to the practice of collecting and analyzing data which exists in numerical form. This discussion board post seeks to explore the critical appraisal processes of quantitative analysis. The first stage involves browsing for the abstract and the article to gain an overview of the research study. The outline helps to determine the congruency of the research based on the title, problem statement, and the research questions. The second process is a literature review, where references are examined to know their quality and if they are primary or secondary sources. In critiquing a quantitative research, the critique must ensure the first step is followed, which entails examining the abstract and the article to gain an overview of the study. Having gained an overview of the article, the analysis of the purpose is done in the next, third, stage. This stage entails analyzing the purpose of the article. The reader, then, evaluates the work to determine its clarity, conciseness, presentability, and alignment with the problem statement. The fourth step requires an analysis of the methodology, whereby readers ascertain the appropriateness of the applied research design in addressing the study purpose. Recommendations are the last phase, which determines if the purpose of the study is met. The tools and approaches encompass CMAP, systematic analyses, cohort trials, case control studies, observational research, economic assessments, diagnostic methods, and apparatuses for clinical prediction. Readers should use all the mentioned approaches to establish the veracity of articles. In conclusion, this post has outlined the significance of using different processes and techniques when it comes to appraising quantitative research. Any research which fails to meet the required procedures should always be deemed as weak since it lacks credibility, and its findings may not contribute much to current and future studies. The information of all the processes and appraisal tools enables a researcher to separate excellent sources from the poor ones.